interwebs. String beans garage here. You know Punkin Spice, the star of the show. I've already put her away, but I have to move it a little bit. So I figured I'd go over the stuffs that I did that I didn't video. The last time I videoed anything about the car here was when I pulled the mill out of it. What was that, September? So I pulled the motor out to make it stop leaking oil all over the place. And it worked. Didn't get a lot of views, so I didn't do a lot of videos of me working on it. So I guess long story short, I pulled the mill out and changed the oil pan, changed the rear main seal, changed cam timing, did a couple other things to it, cleaned it up real quick, painted some stuff, threw it back in, and it works. It does not leak oil, tragically, and doesn't run quite as good as it did before, but I guess I'll change that again over the winter. So when I had it apart and changed the cam timing, I retarded the timing and doesn't seem to like it. Ran 1359, I believe, a couple weeks ago. Down at 42, and last year my best was a 1348. So it seems like it's falling on space when I shift. So I'm gonna pull it apart again. Let's just pull the timing cover off and change cam timing, which I'm sure I'll chronicle. Yeah, that's it, for y'all on video. And yeah, so anyways, today I'm just moving around a little bit, so I have to start it up because I am not pushing this 4,200 pound pig around. Sure, get some good vroom vroom noises, and y'all will like it. As you can see, we still have war paint from last time over at the track, so I don't know. See what it'll do. It has been sitting for, I don't know, a week or so in here, over here at work, so see if it makes vroom vroom noises. Let's see. Remembered how to run. Still sounds good. What do you think? Anyhow, you know the drill, nice cold start. Let's see if it'll move. here in the dark corner with all the rest of the stuff. And yeah, that's about it. Like I said, I had it apart. Like I said, had the mill out of it, and while I was at it, I rebuilt some front suspension pieces. Shit, now you can't see nothing in here. But yeah, I put the big torsion bars in it. I had 106 torsion bars from Firm Feel out there in Washington State. And some adjustable strut rods and some poly strut rod bushings, and poly lower control arm bushings and greasable lower control arm pins, and put the reinforcement plates on the bottom of my lower control arms. And that's about it. While I had it apart, you know, I had it apart for like a week and put it back together, and yeah, didn't make the Mopar show over at Norwalk, but made it to a nice little cruise over in Fremont where there's lots of burnouts, except for it was making a bunch of weird noises. And figured out that my fan clutch bolts were loose, and it's making weird noises. So I don't know, that's about it. I will, of course, keep you abreast of all the other changes I do when you want to do some work on it this winter. Hopefully it stays right here, and I can I want to change the gear and rear brakes, and shit, there was something else I wanted to do, but I don't know, you'll see it. Oh, and change the cam timing and stuff. So it's, you know, water pump, radiator, all that stuff. Pull the dampener off, pull the timing chain cover off, change the cam timing, and put it all back together. And see if I can get it to go faster before I spray it. Oh, sorry, that's not supposed to be leaked out yet. But all right, the cat's out of the bag. I got nitrous to put on it, so I want to see if I can get it to go. I'd love to see it go like 1320s NA. And then I pretty much know for sure it'll go in the 12s on the bottle. So stay tuned, peoples. We got a few things to do this winter, so hopefully it won't be too long. We'll catch you on the flip. Bye.